Looks like we have a skewed understanding of the word happiness. Somewhere we have got a feeling that happiness lies in the external world. And that's what we ideally need to reverse. Let me share an example that really happened in the corporate world and things will be very clear to you. Let me not name them, but let us assume that there is a person X and there's a person Y. X has been called by the HR. They call him into a cabin and they say that amazing job, we are very happy with you, you have done a commendable job, you deserve a raise in your salary, and they hand over a letter to him. When he reads the letter, he realizes that he has got a 15% hike in his annual CTC. Obviously, something that is bound to be celebrated. He comes out with joy on his face, and team members come and ask him that, what is this? What did they ask? What did they say? And he says that, okay, guys, this is this. And then the team members, they demand for a party. And in that moment of emotion, he commits for a party and says that, okay, today is a Thursday, let's all have a bash on a Saturday and let's decide on a particular venue. So everything is being planned and he's in that right mood to celebrate life because life has recognized him for the first time. Exactly 2 hours down the line, Y is called into the HR room, into the HR's cabin, and Y is also explained how he or she has done so well, and Y comes out of the room and Y is joyous again. So the other team members come to Y and say, hey, wow, that is nice. So what's your update? So he says, looks like I've done a good job. I've got a 25% hike in my annual CTC. This word 25%, the moment it falls on the ears of X, happiness dives deep down and gets into the negative zone. Happiness suddenly becomes sadness. Now, what's the quality of that particular sadness? The happiness could not remain long because he was comparing his happiness with an external world. Until and unless you don't learn to celebrate yourself, until and unless you don't learn to celebrate your happiness, and you don't realize the fact that it is an intrinsic phenomena within you, you will always look for happiness in the external world. There are hormones, dopamine, serotonin, endorphins, oxytocins. This is needed by your system. And the more number of times you can celebrate your happiness, you can celebrate these feelings, life becomes a joyous journey for each one of us. Now it's up to us whether we want to look at happiness from an external in phenomena or we want to reverse it saying that I choose to be happy. Happiness is a choice I make in my life irrespective of what happens in the external world.